Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about DOGECOIN price prediction and DOGECOIN news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for DOGECOIN in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known DOGECOIN or Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of DOGECOIN saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of DOGECOIN. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of DOGECOIN. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the DOGECOIN Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Today we will tell you important news about cryptocurrency DOGECOIN. DOGECOIN reacts to investors' question of to be or not to be. However, for DOGECOIN this might only be a momentary slip-up, since neither price indicators nor other metrics are noting a change in investors' behavior. After breaching the 10-month-long downtrend last week, DOGECOIN managed to close above it. In fact, in the last 7 days, Doge has seen a positive change of 6.64%. This is because the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is not in the overbought zone yet. Perhaps, this is giving some room to keep the active trend going. And, MACD isn't displaying any bearishness either. Furthermore, the average balance on every address, which began inclining 2 weeks ago, rose to its 2-month high of $4,781 on 29 March. Usually, the metric acts this way under two circumstances: if the number of Doge holding addresses decreases, or if the prices rally. Fortunately for the 3.83 million DOGECOIN investors, both circumstances came into play over the last few days. Notably, prices have shot up by 28% in the previous 2 weeks. This was followed by the exit of 720k addresses from the beginning of this month. The volume seems to be a major concern at the moment. This raises the question if the investors have lost interest or found a better option. Doge's closest competitors in terms of price and purpose are Cardano and Shiba Inu, respectively. Doge has lost 7% in value. Here's a chart that shows the trend in the price of BTC over the last 5 days. And second news today about the European Union voted against a de facto Bitcoin mining ban. The European Union voted against a de facto Bitcoin mining ban. In a major event for the entire crypto industry, the Coalition's European Parliament's Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs, ECON, rejected a proposal that would have prohibited proof of work to make crypto assets meet a minimum environmental sustainability. As reported by Patrick Hansen, developer at Unstoppable Finance, 32 members of the European Parliament, MEP, voted against this de facto ban on Bitcoin mining, opposing 24 of their colleagues. Part of a voting process that attempts to define the EU's markets in crypto assets regulation, MiCA, the crypto industry could have scored a big win in Europe. The MEPs voted in favor of an alternative amendment, as Hansen said, introduced by Stefan Berger, a German economist and member of the Christian Democratic Union, CDU, serving at the EU Parliament. Thus, Bitcoin and crypto mining will be part of a classification system that establishes which technologies meet sustainable status for the environment. Called EU taxonomy, it seems like a better alternative for BTC mining. Still, the crypto-related activity could be classified as unsustainable. Bitcoin mining in Europe, ban still possible. The European Bitcoin mining sector, most likely the largest and most affected by any potential ban, could still be impacted. Hansen explained that detractors could attempt to veto the current MiCA draft, which excluded crypto mining, and potentially send it to the main parliament chamber. This could bring more months of uncertainty for the sector, while MEPs discussed it. Hansen considers this process inefficient as it would delay regulations around cryptocurrencies. He added, "So, there is loads of work left in the months and years ahead. But today is a big political success for crypto in the EU." A separate report from Peter Slagter, author at Ons Geld is Stuck, claims the recent POW voted on the EU Parliament. Well, now we will discuss the DOGECOIN price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. DOGECOIN is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in DOGECOIN, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the DOGECOIN price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. DOGECOIN forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. DOGECOIN could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you, the forecast for 2025, is that the value of DOGECOIN will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of DOGECOIN will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, DOGECOIN will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.25. And the last forecast for today, in 2028, is that the DOGECOIN price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Doge can reach $1.81 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.56